Come test drive the 2021 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, premium wheels, running boards, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, fog lights, power brakes, driver side remote mirror, dual exhaust, power sunroof. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.